Today's project is one of my own creation I call Chaos. It has a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches or 35.56 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, both connected to form the core. We're using fids so you can see better what I'm doing. The colors we're using is yellow and red. Both of them are 60 inches long, 152.4 centimeters. All paracord used in this project is 4 mil thick. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a lighter, and I'm using a marlin spike in place of a regular presser. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we're going through the side of the cow hitch. Go through and center it. Second one. Through. Okay, starting from the right side, the yellow comes underneath, up in between 2 and 3. Well, to show you the thing anyway, got strand 1, strand 2, strand 3, and strand 4. So, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, out to the left. From the right side, gets the yellow over there, goes over that first yellow, goes underneath, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, goes down into the loop on the right side. Now, take the red from the right side, goes across and over, down in between 1 and 2, and it comes up from the loop on the right side, on the right side of the red. From the left side, red goes over the top, down in between 3 and 4, comes up in the loop on the left side, on the left side of the red. Okay. Cinch everything up, tighten, that's how it should look. Is the front side and the back side. Now we'll switch roles. Now the red leads, comes under, up in between 2 and 3, goes to the left. The left side red goes over the first red, down, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, goes down the loop on the right side and goes to the right. The yellow from the right side goes across on the top, down in between 1 and 2, comes up in the loop on the right side, on the right side from the left side, it goes across, down, in between 3 and 4, comes up on the left side, on the left of the yellow. Cinch up and tighten. Tighten the yellow. Yellow from the other side. You want to keep even tension all the way through it, or it's going to kind of look lopsided. But even the best of us mess up. Anyway, from the right side again, taking the yellow, comes underneath, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, going to the left. From the left side yellow, goes over that yellow, goes underneath, up from the bottom, in between 2 and 3, down through the loop on the right side, and goes to the right. Now, the red from the right side goes across, down, in between 1 and 2, and cut this little straggler off here real quick. And anyway, it comes up on the right side of the red, in the loop on the right side. The left side, red, goes across, over and across, down, in between 3 and 4. The bottom goes up through the loop on the left side of the color. Slide it up, tighten the red, the other red, looking on the back. And now with the red, from the bottom, up in between 2 and 3. From the left side, goes over that red, under, up in between 2 and 3, down through the loop on the right side. Now, yellow from the right side goes across, down, in between 1 and 2, comes up to the loop on the right side, of the yellow, and off to the side. From the left side, goes across, down in between 3 and 4, under, up to the loop on the left side of the yellow. Now we cinch it up, tighten, and tighten, and tighten. There, even tension. Now, I've showed you the weave and the pattern 2 times.
Carving art from simple stones, nature's gift, fabric's clone, binding life to the unknown. Paracord weave through the storm, crafting life with rugged form. Tangled threads hold me through, handmade dreams coming true. sight. Dusty boots and weary bones, carving art from simple stones. Nature's gift, fabric's clone.